How to make money online selling a product. So good day guys, welcome back to another episode of the Bizniz Talk, and in today's episode I would like to discuss the 3 different ways and business models that you can follow and you can choose in order for you to start making money online. And for those that do not know me, I am Bizniz, the founder and CEO of the Business Media, where we help small and medium-sized businesses in showing them exactly step-by-step of how to build, start, and launch their own online business. Due to COVID, more and more people are starting to transact as well as shop online. Therefore, it's important that if you are a brand or business owner that you are selling products, that it's important that you do have an online store. And as mentioned in today's episode, we are going to discuss and cover those 3 different business models. So in the first model, it is having your own online store that sells your own product. So as mentioned before, there are numerous and a big range of benefits for you selling your own product through an online store. So whether you are a brand or a business, or even if you sell a service, you are still able to utilize an online store to sell your own product. Secondly, it is selling someone else's product through your own online store. So how this differs from the first model is that you don't own any of the stock, neither do you carry any of the risk of owning that stock. And this model is mostly referred to as dropshipping, whereby you sell another person's product through your own online store, and you keep all the profits that you have made from that sale, and you only pay suppliers once you have a confirmed order, as well as once you have received the payment from your customer as well. So again, dropshipping has its own set of benefits as well. But again, very important to remember, it is to find a reliable supplier that is able to give you products and stock at a very good price and a good rate, as well as is reliable in the sense of being able to fulfill, and something we'll cover in a further video, is to be able to have the stock ready for you to deliver and dispatch the order to your customer. And then the third and final model that I like to discuss today in terms of making money online selling products is selling your own products or the products of a supplier, as mentioned, which we refer to as dropshipping, through a marketplace. So this marketplace has again already developed the online store. So you don't own the online store; it's a third-party online store and marketplace platform. They facilitate all the payments, the marketing and advertising and customer support of the online store. All you have to really do is to make sure that you are able to fulfill the orders whenever orders are generated via and from the marketplace system. So if you are looking at a local marketplace, you are looking at the likes of Take a Lot, Bid or Buy, as well as Jumia from an African point of view. But internationally, we look at the likes of Amazon, eBay, as well as ASOS from an international point of view, as well. So those are basically the 3 different ways that you could follow and steps that you could take in order to make your own money online. And and again, to mention, for any business or for any new venture, it does require a lot of work and sacrifice. But again, with the right investment of time and efforts and money, if needed as well, you will be able to not only reap the rewards in terms of that feeling of success, but at the same time you are also able to reap the rewards in terms of payouts via your sales and orders generated through your online store. And if you have any questions relating to what we've covered in today's video, you can feel free to drop your comment or question down below, and I'll be happily able to address and answer any of your questions. So the those questions are whether you are an existing business that is already selling online, or you are a business that is looking to start, your own online store. And as mentioned in the introduction, of this video, is that we at the Bizniz Media, we help small and medium-sized businesses with building, starting, and launching their own online store. Many of our clients, within the 3 months of being part of us, whether it's as a client or as a student, they have seen great sales results and great return on investment of their input, and just looking at an online store as a way to make money. And again, whether this is your own business, or you've been thinking of starting a side hustle or a side business that could help you starting to make extra money or an extra income for you, an online store is a very good method and way to do that. I myself have seen great results from selling my own product through my own online store, as well as drop shipping, which I previously ventured in, where I've also seen success selling other people's product through my own online store and platform as well. But I think that's it from today's video. Thanks for everyone that has tuned in to today's video. And if you have not subscribed to our video as yet, please hit the subscription button below. And if you would like to find out anything relating to e-commerce, online store, and marketplaces, remember to hit the notification bell, and till we see each other again in the next video. Thanks very much. Keep well. Bye.